is the options are only those two things, right? If we do crowdfunding, I don't know if we do the pilot or we just get a pitch deck. What do you think? I don't know.
It's hard to say. We get more money from the big distributors. Sorry, I got some background interference again. Bad connection. Sorry,
man.
Yeah. There's money still with the big distributors. I mean, I like the YouTube idea, but we're gonna have to. It's too much for YouTube. Sorry. Did you say something?
No, my dog's. Sorry, bro. My dog's. And listen, if we we can do we could do a pilot. I can film a pilot. If you want, it won't take long to film a pilot.
Are you okay?
I had something in my throat. I'm totally fine. I just got something in my throat. You want to do a pilot? You want to do a pilot? Yeah. You want to? Yeah. Okay. Okay. 1 second.